think it's necessarily overlooking. It's more or less you don't know what you don't know. So having that resource readily available, that all they do is manage HR compliance and risk. It just provides that extra peace of mind and that extra ability to sleep at night, knowing that you've got somebody who's watching your back from a compliance perspective, from an HR perspective, and really providing you with those tools and resources that you need to be able to implement and execute those changes from a compliance standpoint. But I don't think, I just think that it's almost near impossible. If you're a law firm, you're focused on your clients, right? You're focused either on servicing your clients, on the cases, court, or finding new clients. You're not focused on, hey, what are the new labor laws in New York? What are the new PTO requirements in California, right? So if it's not core to your business, right? And it's not going to help you grow or make more money, why wouldn't you hire someone else to do it? And that's kind of how I've always felt about things like that. Um, from a DIY perspective, you just can't do it better than a PEO can. That's why PEOs exist. You're not in the business of HR. You're as a law firm, you're providing legal support to your clients. So it's not HR. That's going to get in the way of servicing and providing great experience and great outcomes for your clients and great legal advice. So anything you can do that's outside of your expertise and your core business, to be able to outsource that to people that all they do is focus on it is going to put you in a better position.